Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be looking at Google Home products. So let's just go right into your Google Home app. Here's my Google Home app. So from right here we can see all your Google products, and if we want to adjust that sensitivity so it picks up on your voice more easy if you're having problems with that, this is how to do it. So let's just choose any of these. Let's start off with basement speaker, for example. From here you will see on the top right hand side in the middle there's a gear icon, and that icon is for your settings. So let's just tap right there. Once you're in there, just scroll down, and we're gonna keep scrolling almost all the way to the end, and you will see Hey Google sensitivity. Once you see that, just tap on it. So that's Hey Google sensitivity, and from here we can adjust it. So maybe it's not picking up on you guys, maybe you guys have to constantly yell at it. This is how to make it more sensitive. So we can bring it all the way up +2. So now it's gonna be very sensitive, and it's the most sensitive that it can get. So this will fix any problems you're having. So now let's say you would want to do that with all your devices. So you guys have a lot of devices throughout your home. Just scroll down just a little bit more, and you're gonna see adjust more devices. So that's in the middle bottom of your page. You will see adjust more devices. Once we're in there, we're gonna see all of them. As you can see, I have +2 on all of them right now, but let's say bedroom didn't have it. I can just click on bedroom right now and adjust it. So I can make this less or more, depending what I want. So I'm just gonna go back on it, and same thing goes with living room speaker. Right now, they're all at their max sensitivity, and basement was just the last one that I had to change. And right now, Google will be able to hear me much better, and Hey Google will be way more responsive since I changed this. That's it. That's all you would have to do in order to make Google way more responsive when you talk to it. Anyways, that would be it for this video. All you guys have to do right now is just close this up and start using your Google devices. If you have any comments, questions, you can leave them right down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.